Hi, I'm Kedar Karnik. I'm the CEO of Soma Universal Logistics Private Limited. Soma was established in the year 2015 and today we are a 10-office company on a pan-India level with an employee strength of nearly 75 people. We handle both sea freight, air freight business in India, inbound and outbound, and pharmaceutical vertical is the main product for Soma. As a matter of policy, most shipping lines do not give temperature records during the transit of the cargo. Zim Monitor, on the other hand, provides automatic voyage records. That is where Zim Monitor scores over most of the competition available in the market today. Zim as an organization in India is a perfect example of somebody having a great product and excellent service levels. Work pretty much moves on seamlessly between both the organizations. We have seen that the emphasis has always been finding the solution and ensuring that the clients at the end of the day are happy. Usually I have observed when it comes to high value cargo, most shipping lines shy away from even discussing about the requirements, leave alone carrying the business. When it came to Zim, when I first discussed about the high value business with them, the first reaction was, yes, we can carry your product, and yes, we have the equipment to carry this product. Two aspects of the Zim Monitor equipment makes it a standout. Number one, the technological expertise which it has, the track and trace, the monitoring, the alerts which it sends regarding the temperature excursions. But more importantly than that, it is your on-ground handling which really makes it effective. As a customer, we do not want to know what is wrong with the equipment and with the product. We want to know whether it has been dealt with at the right time promptly. This is where the Zim Monitor, a valuable and a trusted option for carrying high value cargo. Zim Monitor allows us to reduce our insurance premium simply because the chances of a mishap is extremely negligible or practically zero. This is a huge advantage. When we first introduced the Zim Monitor equipment to our customer, they thought that it was too good to be true. Keeping the client happy has been of paramount importance to Zim. So at the end of the day, we are happy and the customer is happy. One of the advantages which the Zim Monitor equipment has given is that we have been able to convince our customer to change their air freight business into sea freight by the usage of Zim Monitor. We have been able to give a value addition service to our clients and also save their shipping cost.